Jylliew baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san menta kasni kilong. Lenyar ke HFU haki skor ulat ya kajing sya penyap uba telmi talang daki len Meghalaya king ke tourism hapung umyam pentut uslap bat ulo banwa de sonam ong ubik sin ban What ying rehabilitation ka dream hani nongstan. Tomantag ni apai sa ki Khubor ki bakamnya. Lapalat shisnam tam menta ba kinonyalam ka Hill Farmers Union HFU kila od sa ki bor ka sarkar Jylla ban tokit ya kajing sya penyap jong uba telmi talang uba nakasnong lapangap West Khasi Hills katba udang let rep shalaka lengka. Hendrai ki pulit bar ki bor ke sarkar Jylla kidang sengap jar-jar hadu kini kisngi. Kani kejing menti jong ke sarkar Jylla halor kani kejing jabas ngosi kala penlong di kinongelam ka Hill Farmers Union HFU banet ang bat lenyar nagbenta ka yeng kasem jong uni unong rep haki tendong skor jong ulat ke Jylla CH Vijaya Shankar Haraj Bhavan haka sauterik Jylliew Arhajar Arhusan ban kerpat yu ban kener kikti jingarap syakalong yeng longsem jong uni unong rep. Ha kani ka jingya kundo ya ulan kinong yalam ke HFU kila odru ya ki jing jong kinong rep ke Jylla na ka jing herdor ki marep ki ba kentup ya using laterpat somret klau pat ki jhur ba bonjan. Kadba ki mahajon ki bade ya kini ki marep hayo hahat ki kenting ya ka dor syasuny beneng. Kinong bam ha ka Jylla kila lenyar ya ka jingkiu palat put ki dor ki mur jong ki jhur hayo hahan. Kila odru ya ka jingkrong musur babon sertap ya ki marep shwa ban penpoy ya ki syakiyo ki han. Kini ki musur kelabu ya kinong rep ha ki jing ban penpoy yo ya ki jhur ba kila deb on. Kinong yalam ke HFU kila kerpa di ulat ke Jylla ban yarap ban penpoy syaki lengka kenang ba kinong rep kin yo ban rep ban riang bon sin ha ka shisnem. Kila kerpa ru ya ulat ban hukum ya ka sarkar Jylla ban wanra ya ka sukasan haki kaput Meghalaya Assam ban India Bangladesh kenang ba kinong rep kin yo ban rep ban riang ha ka jingsuk bat jingsngan baro shisnem. Kumjuru ban sam shikinong rep yaki central scheme kila kerpat. Hakane ka jingya kendu ulat ke Jylla ula khodru yaki director ka agriculture bat horticulture ban yo sngow yaki jingut jong kinong rep. Ula kentu yakini ki he sarkar ban kershan yaki jingdon kam jong kinong rep namar deimaki kiba penbiang yaka bam kasa man kasngi haki yeng syadja jong ki padba ka Jylla. Ulat ula hukum yaki ofisar ka sarkar Jylla ban ai ki jubab ki basyai syakinong yalam ki HFU yaki jingarap ka sarkar kalamang nak benta kinong rep.
Hill Farmer Union kepada ika sengnong rep apo kene ka Jylla hi borok kawai ni lawan bani kendo ya ulat jong ka Jylla halor ki katu kene ki point ki bangi ngi surun kam ya ki jing tuklar lem jong ulat nak benta kimat. Kawai na kimat kiba ngi ngilaya keren mentakas ngi kadai halor kejing sya peniap jong unong rep angtai ha lapangap mensyam senam hakaba wene kinong rep jengi ulah sya peniap haka lengka bat hadu menta nakling jengi jing sya ngila follow up bat ki bor sarkar nak menta ban yo ya ka compensation ya kejing yarap nam tau te unong rep dan rei umshim padyo ngamud ban ong nakliang jong kibahing hasem jong te unong rep ubala sya peniap lengka hadu menta padio ke ngit scam namar banagliang jong gobernur uang ba unsa tuklar hani kabenta ngit scam ba unong rep unyo ya ka hok ka ba udai banyo kawai ni kimat ki bangila yakran hakabede bet kini ki scheme ki ba ka sarkar India ka don na kabenta ban pentri kam ha ka Jylla ka jongi kum kanuksa habede bet ka PM Kisan ngila kerpat yu gobernur ban ong ya ka sarkar India ba kin ai jingirap ru ya kitu kinong rep ki bomdon ya ka jakala jong namar katkum kene ka PM Kisan katkum ka jing bu renti jongki kalong ba kitu ki bomdon ya ki kot kisla kin nomyo jingirap halor ka PM Kisan tan re ka Jylla ka jongiru ki don kinong rep ki ba shuai ki jaka kim don ya kita ki kot kisla te ngi ong ba ya ki bakum kita kinong rap ru dei ban yo te nak leng ju ong ba ya kene unsa take up bat Khubor jong ka sarkar India nang ta hak kabede ngila ong ru bangidon kam ya ki awareness bana kaliang jong ka sarkar India kadiban pelong te hnrei ngi sungu namar ba u governor u lakhot ru ya ki officer naka sarkar Jylla hak ba ki layadon lang ba ki ong ba ki jule ya ki niki awareness program te hnrei nak leng jungi ngi ong ba kampat biang kene ka awareness program nama ki bun ki skim jong ka sarkar India ki ba kinong rep kim patip bat lada ki tip ru ki subna ya ta skim hnrei kim tip kumno ban apply kum kanuksa ban pendap ki form ban tho application kum ta ter te ngila stress ya kata bat nak leng jong governor ula betha ya ki officer ba ban dei ban le ya kini om tang ban pentip ya ke kita skim hnrei kumno ru ban apply khnang ba kinong rep kinyo ya ki jing mentoi nak kata ki skim kum kanuksa mentang singi yo sko ya kawai ka skim ka baong har kheti me pani te nakleng jungi hijing syang yim parlong aware ya kene ka skim te nang ne shakmat kum kini ki skim ngidi ban yo kum kanuksa kata ka sin khasi ki ong ba haman laki jakarep dei ban poi ten rei ka ba sngusi kalong haki jakarep ki jongi yo namar haki jakarep ki jongi ni susyania ba hakamariang bat ni ngu bangidon ka jing ublei lokar kui ka jongi te hnrei ngimla ban penbiang yaki irrigation yaki haka portelang ya ka bakinong rep kinla ban rep baro sisnem nakabenta kane ulat ulaong ba nakleng jungi kum kaseng ngin sapha yaki no ki jaka ki ba I don kam yaki irrigation project te kane ka longru sya ka Khubor sya baro kinong rep la kalong ki badai dekhot jong ka hill farmer lane ki
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma rengkat ber Menteri ke Tourism ba Pol Lengdo kila pelat pat ba ya ke ling sang pengat bagi la jer kerteng daka Meghalaya hapung yam kwan nak benta kinong yat suwari ki bawan kiu syakani ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba ulaong ka Tourism kan sepelat bon teli kiling ban king pengat ha kani kapung nak benta ki pat ba ki bala ban kit breu hadu shispa san pongut. Menteri Rangba ula kularu ban penlong ya ki jingya kop king lieng ha kani kapung ha ki snam ban wan ban kentiu ya kani ka jingya lekai ha Meghalaya. Ha kani ka sngi pelat ya ka Meghalaya hapung yam kwan ladon lang ki he sarkar ki ba kuntup ya ba Cyril VD Dingdo Director Tourism Dr Vijay Kumar ki Samla king lieng na ke Jylla bat pun ki wei pat kiri Rangba ki bala sakhi ya kani ka lieng ha kani ka jingelang.
You guys enjoy. Yes. And as you guys enjoy, oh, I think you give me my phone then. Or you gonna? Oh, they're coming then. Yes, sir.
We also need to go, right?
So we are here at the launch of the Meghalaya. It's the first yacht to be commissioned here at Umiam, and this is in fact one of the initiatives by the tourism department to upscale the overall experience for the tourists who come to our state. It also has got elements of sailing in it, so therefore our youngsters and the youth also are very excited about it. And this is going to be part of the series of many other yachts and cruises that we plan to bring here to enrich the experience for the tourists who come from outside. So we're very happy, looking forward to it, and we're going to go towards the yacht now. Thank you so much. Shall we, sir? Yep. Can I sit on the side? Yes, sir.
Uba Vivek's aim, Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills Ulayatho Hakilat Patai Khubor Dakabaong, Kiken Hon Pulit Bat Kipat Ba Nakathain Sora, Kidang Yai Twet Bat Wad Eka Sonam Raghuvanshi, Kakurim Uraja, Kabadang Ja Hadu Kini Kisi. Hadu Menta, Kiken Hon Kibat Twet Yakani Kabriu Kila Shemjing E Ban Hyar Shakiriat Kiram, Nakajing Pentut Uslap Ubajur Bat Uloo Ubarben. Kibalak Kang Lad Ban Yo Ishai, Yakilinti Singkin. Uba Vivek Ulayatho, Layota make away ka jan jiri kop slap, Hanray la ban batay shai kaday ka jongno. Ulaong ki scientist kiba la pentibit ban thuet hidak kishin, kidang tokit yakani ka jan jiri kop slap, ban tip la kaday bala bread ka sonam.
At about 11:15 we recovered in AV viewpoint, which is about 5 meters from the road going to Mokma. We found this black wheat raincoat, and there are certain stains out there, but we can't confirm whether they're blood stains. Only forensics will be able to say whether they're blood stains. Seizure has been made. We'll compare with the footages we have, whether it belongs to the female or not. And only after some time only we can confirm whether it belongs to the female, because the size also is a 3XL raincoat. Okay. A lot of theories will be there. I can understand the minds of the public. A lot of theories are there. SIT has been formed. We'll go and gather evidence and collect and get to the facts of the matter. Yeah, so right now, like I said from the beginning, all possibilities are there, but all possibilities are there, and so we go by the facts and the circumstances and the evidence collected from the scene of crime. Thereon, we'll get to know which direction we'll take. But this search, since that the Vaisaudong is actually almost 3 levels of terrain out there. So, and the place, the undergrowth also is thick out there. Today we had to do AV point, and then before we wanted to do Vaisaudong again, it started raining. So huge heavy rains out there. And beyond that, we will be going to the peripheries of those places to look for more evidence. The weather got cleared. Otherwise, the weather was very inclement, and torrential rains were there, which is making it very difficult, even though we use NEHU drones. So when the weather cleared up, we could actually find body and other evidence out there. So let's hope the weather clears up and gives us more visibility to find more evidence. Yeah. So, there are about more than 50 to 60 people, SOT, NDRF, SDRF, Fire and Burn Services, the SIT team is there, and people from South Africa Station, and also the local volunteers. So it was only on the second that, second that was on the second, second or third? Postmortem was done yesterday, so we yet to get the report.
Uba Francis G. Karshiyeng, Director Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission, DREAM, Rengkad UMLA Jangka Nongston ba Gabriel Walang, Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills, Kilarwad bat let jurib ya ka way ka yeng sorkar kabadon ha Upper New Nongston, ban penlong ya ka Rehabilitation Center, kajaka sumare ki Samla ki balakerni ha ki jing di drop. Kasorkar Jylla kalaya trei bat kabalang Presbyterian ban wanra eka project kabatmu ban rat deng khong ya udrok na West Khasi Hills bat ban sumar ki Samla ki balangat haki tersim jong uni ujingdi basirkai. Kajinga trei lang nang ni Shakmat kan long hapadeng ka dream bat kabalang Presbyterian Nongston ban penlong ya ka West Khasi Hills ka district kabalat na kidrok. Hakani kajing jurip yeng lasenran lang daki bor district social welfare officer, district agriculture officer, kidekot jangka urban mission New Nongston Presbyterian Church bat kinong yalam shnong. Hakani kasngi uba Gabriel Walang ula ai kajing ro ya kajing trei shitom jangka urban mission bat ka dream halor kani karukom perkhat bantai ya kajaka sumar kabadan kamtam nak berta ki Samla ki balangop haudrop. Ulaong kajinga trelang kalong kapadan kam ban ya le persya ya udrop. Ulapan pau kajing kermen baka ne ka rehab center kanlong kajaka jing penkot ya ki balangop haka apot jong udrop. Ula kemen baka imlang salang hakani kanong ba ka district kanlong kabasuk basan bat kabalat na kajing ting jing siir. Ula kular ban kershanting ya kani ka project badon buram. Khubor karib hoi district ha ka South tarik Jylliew 8,000 kila rakhi kerpang ya ka sngi kha jang ka district ka balak kenjo syaka lai phulai snam karta. Ya kani ka jing rakhi kemen lapan long ha parish hall nongpo bala shimbanta da uba Mirbon CM MLA ba Sostino Sotun MLA ba Matthew Kenneth Makdo MDC KHEDC u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ki officer na kitna sorkar bapher ki khna school ki nong hikai bat ki rangba kanthei bat shinrang ya ka ribhai district lapli haka South tarik Jylliew khat khandai spa khandai pu ar ha madan pahams im nongpo ya kani ka sngi ki bor sanshar district ki ju rakhe pat ba kum ka sngi kha jong ka district ta ki program ba bon jat nagabanta ki khna school kalong shisha kasngi bakmen ki pat ba ka district baro kawai
ya dari district Kumno berpikirnya, obrol sebagai pekerjaan dari distrik. Kumno berpikirnya, bagi diri rumah, tobeko yang bertentu akan mereka dari distrik itu. Yang pentingnya, bagi kontaknya kami berada ada pun sama ini. Yang pentingnya, bagi long yang terus berpikir bagi yang mesti ini ada buat pertama. Nama kata kerana terus ini distrik itu, di officer ini sudah mengenai, kita tunduk di Khubor, ini kita lebih besar dari di mana distrik tersebut, boleh sebut, boleh nama air besar distrik ini, siapa ada orang community, naga kita, jadi sakri kalau ada apa apa itu, ada Khubor di mana, mungkin nikmat, kita langsung apa. Meski kita, ini kalau cuma di sana ada poin. Ini saya lalu kita akan nak tahu review yang dari project yang boleh apa? Yang baru yang perlu dari orang internasional awak dimaksudkan boleh memperkuat ini baru, bagi school seperti kalau kita belum orang kunjung yang school di Balajok maka Khuborjylla ke sekolah menteri antara Kristian dan Muslim berdiri bahwa ada di sini itu di players jadi sama kira-kira yang anjlong ini di bawah yo represent antara sekolah ini coaching kan orang tidak ini keseluruhan jadi training dari aku ini bahwa mengisahkan itu ikut sama ini di bukan cukup di mana kok dari distrik bagi duit kita kan ada celah ini bagi yang di belakang penduduk orang itu sudah terima Shillong district improvement hukum dari segi dari achievement hotel lagi di Pasma, lagi di Jylliew, lagi di Bosco, apa yang kita look forward that from the district administration also, not in terms of youth empowerment, but in terms of fighting social activities within the district, we could work and collaborate together in days to come.
Kakenhon kinongshong wai dukan hapo ka building Nongpo Town Shopping Complex. Ya kabalatip kum ka Nongpo Town Shopping Complex Owner Association menta kasngi saw tarik Jylliew hajar arpusan kila mi renti lang ban penkhoj ya ka saudong saukun bat ki kendong kensrot jong kate ka building ka ba ki jushong ban kamai jakpo man la kasngi. Hakani kasngi lawan bansa khilang da Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy Abhilash Baranwal kumukongsan haka jingadran lang u Assistant Engineer Urban Affairs ba SS Langste ba Penshai Kharkongor District VBD Consultant Ribhoy District ba Silverstar Mensong rang ba Shnong Nongpo harangkat kinong yalam kate ka association kiba kuntopru ya ka kong EUCA kum ka President Mitchell Marngar, Secretary, ba pendap lang wa lang advisor lembat QA. Habakran nakaliang Deputy Commissioner Kumukongsan. Ulakit bokit riang ya kenika kunhun ba kandang la banle shibun kikam hakabaya day bat kate ka shopping complex kamtam hakabaya day berkakuat ka suba kabalong kabahakmade.
Owners Association should ensure that it happens. After that, I have also, basically my office is always open. Now that you have an association, whatever you need, if it is within our capacity, we'll make sure that it happens in the Muda complex. I completely agree with the lady, the Singh Longkmi, Nongpur proper, when she said that the aspirations and the hopes which this Muda complex would have raised, they have not realized. जो aspirations ये सब था वो सब पूरा नहीं हुआ है because it does not look like a proper well-lit market. We are doing whatever we can. We are trying to prevent leakage. We have provided you power backup at least in the lighting and etc. with backup in the corridors and all. But लेकिन अभी बहुत लंबा सफर जाना है, so we'll ensure that whatever is needed we'll provide that. But simultaneously, we are also going to take some strong steps. For example, those who are not opening shops, this is something that I'll discuss with the Shop Owners Association also, that for every day, if anyone is not opening shop, we should impose some fine. Okay, that has to happen, even if it's a modest fine, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, but that has to happen. Ab shop open nahi kar raha hai, it does not look nice, there has to be a fine. Secondly, for all those people who are as of now subletting, my clear message to you, 1100, right?
Yes, it range from 1100.
1100, right? So let's say it starts from 1100, but you may be paying 2000 or 2500 to the actual owner. आप मेरे ऑफिस आओ, बाला के पास जाओ, संजय के पास जाओ, you go to them, you tell that this is a shop that I am operating, we are not going to take any action against the allotment owner, but will transfer the allotment to you. So that from your shop does not have to close, you only have to pay rupees 1100.
Anda leo naik saya acu dah tu nama one fair wicket dah.
Adap macam di video.
Kenang ban pensted yakilat jingerap syakilanot kibangat hakajing syak lengshop mariang kasorkar Jylla kala ai penap lepa kapisa hakibor penyat distrik makin la ban trekam kam kloi. Yakani layathu do Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ba Kermen Shilla ubala pentip ba kasorkar kala dep lepa ban pelat yakasong pisa syaki Deputy Commissioner bakin ai jingerap yakilanot basyak kata hakajing lengshop kibor mariang.
Monsoon we face. There's an advance fund has been released to the Deputy Commissioner where I have the list of those districts where the Deputy Commissioner they still have a fund with them. They still have 4 crore 59 lakh 72,794. That is the fund still left pending with them where they can utilize it in the time of need. And West Khasi Hills, Nongstoy, they have 1 crore 22 lakh 5,473. Southwest Khasi Hills, Maukarwat, 60 lakh 31,755. Riboy District, Nongpo, they have 1 crore 21 lakh 42,000. And West Jylliew Hills, Jowai, they have 75 lakh 37,500. East Jylliew Hills, Clarion, 4 lakh 82,015 rupees. That is a fund pending with them. This is a fund where we give them as an advance fund. They can utilize it at the time of need, especially in this monsoon. This amount has been given them from time to time where they can use it whenever it's needed. East Garo Hills, William Nagar, they have 1 crore 11 lakh 65,331. West Garo Hills, Tura, they have around 1 crore 85 lakh approximately. And North Garo Hills, Reswalpara, 91 lakh. And then approximately, and South Garo Hills, Bagmara, they have 1 crore 18 lakh. And then Southwest Garo Hills, Ampati, 1 crore 46 lakh. And then Eastern West Khasi Hills, Mairang, 4 crore 47 lakh 26,352 approximately. These are the amount of money has been lying pending with the Deputy Commissioner where they can use it when the time of need, especially for us an ex gratia.
Kahil Farmers Union Central Body kalapan mi yakasnat trekam kabalatip kerteng kum Kahil Farmers Nursery Society. Lapan penapat ba mentakasi sau tarik Jylliew Hajar Arpusan dakakong deity H Majau KHEDC. Kabalong ru ka kongsan hakani kasngi hakajinga don lang usembut kongsan ba Ivan Swear Director jangka MBDA. Yakani kajinga lang lapan long ha training center jangka Hill Farmers Union ha Spring Valley Farm Langkerding Maupat Shillong. Kakong deity habakran kum kakongsan hakate kasngi kala ai kajinga ro yakinong yalam jangka Hill Farmers Union. Kabala la shisha ban penyar yaki tenat trekam jongka NAKA benta ban kentil yakinong rep. Kaya thuru bakum ka isi ke batamai jongka KHEDC. Kabade ban pet yaka kendo ka siap batru ka benta ka jing NAKA benta ka jing penbahabiang yaka may mariang ki kloy ban priang yaka jing ai jing mut bat jinga trelang bat ka society kumju bat ka union NAKA benta ka jing bha jong ka mariang. Uba Ivan Swear kum usembut kongsan ulapan kan mau baka perthai ka pai khmat cha ka Meghalaya banwad ya ka jing start tenrai baka jing lap ya ki do kha ba phla ki nyang ba sha ba phla ki sim ki do ki ba kham ju I kot shanu ru kani ka pen pau ya ka jing riu spa jong ka Jylla jongi kumta ula kentu bang ngim dei ban klet ya ki jing hikai tenrai bat e ru ya ka mei mariang. Layo ru ban ai ka jing ithu ka bakerpang yaki kam jong ki nursery men da ka ba penkup buram yaki khat nyo ki kenhu nursery na ki district ba pher jong ka Jylla ki baju sam yaki sembai din na ka banta ka project thung ding ha ka Jylla.
Ba Alfen I chairman jong ni ka penyan ka tangsi dari ka event belakang terpang yang nama launch ni menjadi kat lambat pibro ngai play ya I kong ibadah pun Samla, the Managing Director, Worldview Impact India. Khubor, then I play to Mr. Dr. Surendra Goswami, CEO at 3, and also Commander Shamplia. Bosco na Commander Rumo, Commander Khuborkhasi, ekalenti jopi, form kata Hill Farmers Union, kali sisa kalenti ba kanti mo, kali Jylliew, sisa ka bishop pay dan kata determination dan kata jinggut jopi, dan kata jing.
San pungut ni ewan, wajar kasan. Tentang laki laki orang piadon jing ni dah. Dia tu enggak ngawas, supermarket li apa dia tu enggak. Tengok orang boleh pinju. Wan tu Khubor mah yang tipsnya tak Khubor pengen nang kata orang tu Khubor. Jadi kata kan juga inspired yang bangan ino nak kam tu Khubor, bangan sa join sini ke Hill Farmer Union nak minta kaseng juga nomor. Khubor banding kau ngalating si siapa nomor ba ngayo tulok. Hakor bang Alex ya ka Hill Farmer Union ya tulok shoot Shillong idon I bangai permit I film manumalan dengan belum bisa nanta ban lek mobilize ke Hill Farmer Union dari nasi kedua iba Alfon ngesakot lagi baniwan ke Hill Farmer Union ban hakor bang ngaslang Hill Farmer Union nga thok Khubor bagan idon thok Khubor nga thok si thok de harin kata ki yawan form I ke yawan I dengan mun ong ngasung kemen pemerintah But the Hill Farmer Union, iba aiban ila sakit. Hakaba.
Kita bisa apalagi okay. Tapi, kung ginawa. Kacing bakla tu ni kaway, kacing bakla tu ni kaway. Ngirep yang ubah minang. Nganang kalau kubi, nganrep itu kubi. Hindi kayo mampuan atau kubi yung kubi. Kayo magkuha o broccoli. Ukubi 10 kilo, ukum broccoli 10 kilo. Naman ba? Habang itu niya di industri. Hindi ka ba isutong wewe ulang. Kung yang tahu jutong kumakayaw. Ngana kayaw kakwa. Do hybrid orange. Try to wait. Try to wait. Lalu kayo kakwa dong so ubah kamne Islam barbo in either way. Kaya sobra.
Badai kitu ki Khubor ngilapoi sa kabakun tarhado bangin daya syambiang kublay sibon.